So, I can't. I better make sure I get this in the Springform, or I'm fucked. All right, so straight in the Springform. All right. If you've got a spatula at home, right hand man. All right, straight in there. Far out. You're probably wondering why I'm wearing these glasses. It's actually because, I suffer from anxiety. And, there's thousands of people watching this. Thousands. It's everywhere. Like I had people from Wuhan the other night saying hello. Now, that is no bullshit, okay? I could actually copy that, and I'll put that up with the fonts, okay? And I'll put hi from Wuhan, okay? I'm not fucking bullshitting you, okay? It happened. All right, in there. That's it. That's friggin' it.